Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Today we are going to discuss that how we can scan our documents, how we can scan our hard copies into soft copies. So we are going to discuss a very fantastic app. Do not forget to like and subscribe and comment. So we are going to discuss about this ORC Text Scanner, my ORC app. It's last updated on 19 March. So we are going to start this. I have already signed up on this. So if you want to use the camera and you want to capture the pic, you can capture and you can use this. In this way you can do this. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and you can take your hard copy, you can take the picture and you can use this. It's a very fantastic app. Easily you can use this, but you can use the browser as well. Many things you can do. So I am going to use the browse, not a camera. I just show you the demo. So we are going to use browse. Browse is that thing where you having already pictures. So I am going to use browse pictures. This is a software which you have to use. So it will ask about your open gallery. So I have taken the picture. Okay, now you have already picture capture. You have to click on crop as more you want. If you want to raise, you can raise, undo or do whatever you want. Okay, and you can rectangle this, rotate this, left, right, bottom, whatever else you want. So I'm going to crop this and I'm going to use this by having the two crop picture, and it will write on that. It is a very fantastic. So let's begin. Do not forget to like and subscribe and must comment me. And by this app you can write any book as well as, and it's a very fantastic thing to use. You must use it, you must try it. One more is processing. It will be, because we have taken the two pictures, one paragraph per section we have done. It takes some time. So we can do the underline as well. Select this and do the underline. Like a word, you can do the italic, bold, textile, and you can copy, paste and select all. Whatever you want, you can copy, you can paste. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.